afternoon. Good afternoon, Chairperson sir, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Arun Jayapuri, General Manager, Lung Hospital Diagnostics. As mentioned, I'm a PhD student at KDU. My topic is factors affecting the patient's vision in selecting a hospital in medical emergency. Selecting a hospital in medical emergency is a critical decision that selecting a hospital for elective medical treatment. A dedicated emergency department set up in a selected number of hospitals covering all geographies of the country is the ideal arrangement. Patient management in medical emergency has not been developed to the required level in Sri Lanka. If I explain a little bit further, if it is an elective case, you have a liberty of asking from your relatives, known people, to go to the best place and get the medications. But in medical emergency, you don't have that privilege. And if you go to a developed country, there are standard, dedicated emergency set up there. For example, you know, if there is a medical emergency, which hospital you are supposed to go. But in Sri Lankan context, you don't have that facility. It is quite interesting to know on what basis patients or patients' guardians select a hospital in a medical emergency in Sri Lanka. The majority of medical emergency patients prefer state sector hospital than the private sector hospital. It is quite different situations compared to any other healthcare segment such as all OPD services. Again, if I explain a little bit further, as there is no guidance from the healthcare setup of the country, the patient or the patient's guardian has to take that critical decisions in medical emergency. So, it's what unknown fact how they take that critical decisions. And in the fact, in medical emergencies, patients prefer state sector hospital than the private sector hospital. And but this is quite different from the other health centers. For example, primary healthcare setup, or dental, or pharmacy services, or even a diagnostic lab services, or a radiology. Private sector is emerging over the state sector hospital. But when it is coming to medical emergency, still patient prefers state sector hospital. By considering these ground realities, it is quite essential to establish the factors considered by patient or a patient's guardian in selecting a hospital in medical emergency, and also see the possible reasons for the failure of private sector hospital in Colombo in attracting medical emergency patients. These are things what I have looked at through my study. Literature survey, the research failed to find any study done in Sri Lanka on the subject of patients' vision in selecting a hospital in a medical emergency, or why patients oversee services of state sector hospital rather than the private sector hospital in medical emergency. Actually, I tried my best to get any information, so any study done on this area, but I failed to collect any information or any study done on this area locally. But if you come into the outside world, character, key form, social circumstances may be an important influence in selecting a hospital in a medical emergency. That study was done in 2007. Then the look highlighted quality standard play a major role in selecting a hospital in medical emergency. Then the proof Donald, he mentions that the demand by low and middle income groups for emergency medical services were highly sensitive to traveling and waiting time. And another study done by Selampo found that the hospital would rely on research-based interventions in the areas such as clinical care processes, nursing services, staff behavior, the treatment of patients, physical environment, waiting time, if a private hospital wants to attract more emergency patients. So the previous three literatures are related from the patient perspective, but last study, what I mentioned in last, it's a study done to look at from hospital point of view. For example, if a hospital wants to attract more emergency patients, what they are supposed to do. Then coming to the methodology, a prospective cross-sectional cohort study was conducted by covering patients who visited emergency department of National Hospital and Lanka Hospital. Data of 166 patients out of 1056 emergency patients of National Hospital and 40 patients of 244 emergency patients of Lanka Hospital were collected. Basically, I believe National Hospital is the role model or most hospital with all necessary features to represent the state sector hospital. Whereas the Lanka Hospital, I believe that it has all features of a private hospital. So based on that, those two hospitals were selected for this particular study. The instrument survey conducted, including 3 demographic questions, 5 scenario-based questions with multiple choices to be chosen. Last 5 questions were designed with the intentions of understanding a patient's reason for selecting a particular hospital in a medical emergency. This is a questionnaire. It's a multiple choice questionnaire. Using that required data were collected. In the data collections, the patients were interviewed by a research assistant at the time of releasing the patient from emergency department, either as an inpatient or a discharge patient. The interviews were conducted either in Sinhala or English. Basically, in Lanka Hospital, emergency department is very much clear. There's a patient sorting out area there. Where OPD patients are directed to OPD area, whereas emergency patients are moved to the emergency department. National Hospital a little bit complicated. Medical patients, medical OPDs are located in the same place. Who are the patients who were referred for admissions and then pushed to ETU were considered for this particular research, and surgical patients who came to accident homes and those who are on trolleys and RO were considered in this research. Data analysis collected data were inspected, cleaned and modeled, and the collected data were analyzed using SPSS version 16. Data were analyzed descriptively and relationship between various variables were investigated by Pearson chi-square test. In the finding, both hospitals we understood more female than male, 41% male and 58% females. It's the one demographic character of the finding. Another finding is that in the distance from the place of accident or from the house of that particular patient to the hospital, this study clearly confirmed that the influx of emergency patients to the hospital decreases as the distance from the patient's resident or the place of emergency to the hospital increases. Basically, patient flow is very much related to the distance. When the distance is increasing, obviously number of patients coming down. But National Hospital, you understand, even certain patients are coming from more than 100 kilometers away from the hospital. Then, if you look at the age group, majority of emergency patients of National Hospital as well as Lanka Hospital were below the age group of 20. Then the Lanka Hospital received a low percentage of emergency patients over 50 years when compared to National Hospital. Again, I think this finding is a little bit interesting. In Sri Lankan context, apparently more pediatric or patients below 20 years is the biggest group in considering the medical emergencies. Then if you look at the conditions, patient's condition for the medical emergency, the surgical conditions were the main cause for the medical emergency in both National Hospital and Lanka Hospital. Respiratory and intestinal tract diseases were the second highest group patients. The cause of medical emergency as per the patient who visited National Hospital and Lanka Hospital showed a similar pattern. Like if you look at the patient's disease-wise, though it is private or public sector, they showed a similar pattern. And importantly, again, surgical patients are the surgical conditions are the main cause for the medical emergency. Then most important finding of my study is likely why patients come to National Hospital or Lanka Hospital. 35% of National Hospital patients, 30% of Lanka Hospital patients believe that they choose the most best place for medical emergency. Same time, 33% of emergency patients of National Hospital indicated that unaffordability or non-availability of health insurance cover was the reason for their choice being admitted to National Hospital. Then 37.5% of patients of Lanka Hospital indicated because they can afford for a health insurance cover, they had a health insurance cover, that's why they came to emergency department of Lanka Hospital. Then another interesting finding is when we asked, are you recommending the emergency department of the selected hospital? More than half of the emergency patients admitted to National Hospital and Lanka Hospital were reluctant to recommend the hospital chosen by them for others. It is again likely a little bit interesting. Finding associations between the reasons for choosing a particular hospital in medical emergency and the disease conditions of the patients. Here it is proved that the null hypothesis is not rejected, therefore there is no associations between the disease conditions and the chosen hospital. Association between the reason for choosing a particular hospital in a medical emergency and the willingness to recommend the chosen hospital as the best place for medical emergency to others. Again, null hypothesis is rejected, therefore it could be concluded that there is no association between the reason for choosing a particular hospital in medical emergency in relation to the willingness to recommend that particular chosen hospital as the best place for medical emergency to others. Conclusion, the finding shows the patients or a patient's guardian consider the reputations of the emergency department of the hospital is the main important factor when choosing a hospital in medical emergency. Apparently, that is not the distance, not the known persons working in that particular hospital, or not the financials. It is the reputations of the emergency department, what they look at in a medical emergency and taking that particular patient to that particular hospital. Then the recommendations, actually the private hospitals in Colombo, they spend a lot of money developing their emergency department. We too. But results are very less. So now my finding is, if a private hospital in Colombo wants to attract more emergency patients, it has to enhance the perceptions of its emergency department. Thank you very much.